Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add 3D text in CapCut PC. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app in your PC and now create a new project or edit your existing project. I'll go with my existing project to make this process faster. Now, since we want to add 3D text in CapCut PC, at first we need to add text. To do that, click here on text. Now, click here to add text to your video and double click here. Now enter the desired text. You can also choose the style of the font from here and increase the size from here. Now, to make it look like 3D, what we can do is copy the text and again paste it. Now put it on top of each other. Change the color of text from here. Now, if we move it, the text will give you a 3D effect. And now to make it a single text, select the both text and right click on it and create compound clip. You can also click Alt and G to make a compound clip. And just like that, we have created 3D text in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.